U70 UFS plus eMMC ISP cable supports both UFS and eMMC jumper wires, read, write operations. Compared with SATA jumper cables, the operation is much simpler. Integrated Type-C interface with FPC flexible cable design. No soldering required. Simply connect and align with the test points. No limitations on motherboard positioning, making repair operations more flexible and convenient. Demo device: U70 Android NAND programmer, U70 UFS plus eMMC ISP read-write module, U70 UFS plus eMMC ISP cable, Honor X50 motherboard. Before operation, the related test points on the motherboard need to be prepared with jumper wires. Connect the U70 UFS plus eMMC ISP cable to the HONO or motherboard through the prepared jumper points. Precisely align the cable with the preset jumper points on the motherboard. No soldering required. Complete the connection quickly in one step. Ready for NAND read-write operations. Place the motherboard with the connected ISP cable back into position. At the same time, connect the Type-C interface end of the cable to the corresponding UFS ISP read-write module. Connect the U70 NAND programmer to the computer. Connect the pre-attached UFS plus eMMC ISP read-write module directly to the U70. Then power the phone motherboard. Open JCID Repair Assistant, enter the Android NAND function, and complete the device connection. The green indicator light means the device has been detected. Connect the device to read NAND data. Currently in PWM1 mode. Switch to HS1 high-speed mode to accelerate the reading speed. Select the LUN partition files and back up the entire NAND data with one click. Actual testing shows that this cable features stable impedance and excellent signal transmission performance. Greatly improves NAND repair efficiency, making professional repairs easier and more convenient.